Here at the India AI Impact Summit, there are thousands of attendees, lots of foreign delegates, and of course, with that, servicing them is Zepto right here. Zepto is the official delivery hub partner of the India AI Impact Summit. What they're doing here is essentially allowing attendees to order anything from groceries to refreshments from the Zepto app. And why this is important here is not just to serve the attendees here, but also to show the foreign delegates the speed and the efficiency of the quick commerce scene in India. Now behind me is a dark store from Zepto. What a dark store essentially is, it's like a huge warehouse, it's like a huge grocery store where your Zepto delivery partner can enter, pick your items up and leave to get it delivered to you. So this is what it looks like inside a Zepto dark store. You know, you've got all of these assortments here. You've got your drinks here, you've got chocolates, you've got snacks, chips, anything and everything that you get on Zepto is delivered via a store like this. Everything is alphabetically labeled. There are quick scanners here that the delivery person can quickly scan and find what they need rather quick. That is why these quick 4-minute to 20-minute timelines are there, because everything is super easy for your delivery partner to find. Along with that, not just chips, here at the Bharat Mandapam, not just refreshments, not just snacks, you can even get tech devices and appliances such as microphones, such as if you can see here, you know, you've got speakers, you've got microphones, anything and everything you need will be delivered to you via Zepto here at the India AI Impact Summit. Now let me take you to one of the Zepto and Swiggy delivery hubs where you can go and pick up your order from. Now once you have ordered your food or your refreshments from either Zepto or from Swiggy, you will be led to one of these pickup points like the Zepto pickup point behind me or the Swiggy pickup point behind me, where you can simply show up and receive your order. The delivery partner will come here and deliver it to these pickup points which are spread throughout the Bharat Mandapam. Now what this does is really showcase the speed of quick commerce and instant food delivery within India, not just to the attendees of the India AI Impact Summit, but also to the foreign delegates who are showing up here and experiencing Indian quick commerce for the first time. For more such interesting tech coverage, follow Business Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.